In today's video, I'm going to show you BRAIDOL wireless HDMI transmitter and receive review. Is it the best wireless solution? The BRAIDOL wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is a budget-friendly solution that aims to eliminate HDMI cables by sending video and audio wirelessly between a source like a laptop, TV box, or projector and a display. Most independent reviews highlight its plug-and-play simplicity, dual-band 2.4 GHz out of 5 GHz connection, and near-zero latency for everyday use. Especially for 1080p streaming at 60 Hz, making it attractive for home entertainment, presentations, and casual gaming. The compact design and built-in LED status display also make setup and signal monitoring straightforward for non-technical users. Performance is generally solid, with clear 1080p output, stable connections at moderate distances, and minimal noticeable lag, which is good for films or slideshows, and dual-band support can help in environments with interference from other routers or devices. However, several reviewers and user feedback point out inconsistency in tougher conditions, signal drops, or reduced stability can occur when walls, metal obstacles, or heavy wireless noise are present, and 4K performance is often decoded then downscaled to 1080p rather than native output. Build quality is reported as lightweight rather than rugged, and there are occasional quirks with compatibility on certain setups or when power requirements aren't met, for example, needing separate 5 volts out of 2A supply. Real-world discussions on community forums also reflect typical wireless HDMI limitations. While some users say the BRAIDOL kit just works for screens across a room without lag, others note that wireless HDMI in general, including this model, can struggle with signal interference, lag in high motion content, and power or pairing hassles compared with wired solutions. In summary, the BRAIDOL wireless HDMI kit is a legitimate wireless HDMI solution in 2026 that's worth it for casual streaming and presentations and avoids messy cables. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.